I'm Alea. Today, John Deere is introducing a high-tech machine that will help farmers revolutionize the way they manage weeds. It's all part of John Deere's efforts to equip farmers with equipment and technology that will help them gain improving yields, cost efficiency, and profitability, all so they can gain ground in their operation. The desire for environmentally sustainable practices often collides with protecting yields. But as a farmer, you're committed to protecting your crop, your land, and the environment. So how do you protect your crop in a way that's both profitable and sustainable? We believe the answer lies here, with a machine that will redefine spraying. A sprayer that can target weeds in a way that is both cost efficient and environmentally sound. And one that can help bring yields to their greatest potential. See & Spray Ultimate, made exclusively for select John Deere 400 and 600 sprayers. These sprayers are equipped with in-season targeted spray technology that enables you to reduce non-residual herbicide use by more than 2/3 and has a hit rate comparable to traditional broadcast spraying. In addition, it's a versatile machine with a dual product solution system, allowing 2 independent tank mixes to be applied in one pass, avoiding the antagonism effect that occurs in more advanced tank mixes. Let's go to the lab and see what makes the See & Spray Ultimate the ultimate sprayer. Ryan, you're early. How'd you beat me here? Did you take the sprayer?
I did. You didn't see it parked out back?
Oh, no, I must have missed that. Well, let's talk about the See & Spray Ultimate and how it sees, targets, and kills weeds. To tell us more, I'd like to introduce Ryan Steen, Product Manager for See & Spray. So, Ryan, as I'm looking at these crop plants, I'm not seeing any weeds. What can we do about this?
Let's add some in. Let's add in some water hemp, kochia, Palmer amaranth, and horseweed.
How did you do that? Never mind.
So these weeds not only rob the crop of nutrients, of moisture, and of yield, but they're also incredibly difficult for farmers to get rid of.
So, how can a sprayer tell the difference between a crop plant and a weed?
See & Spray Ultimate uses proprietary camera technology that was developed by Blue River Technology, a subsidiary of John Deere. So it uses computer vision and machine learning to scan the field constantly for weeds from crop, and then sprays only the weed. So let's bring it to life. So as our 120-foot boom goes across the field, there are 36 cameras mounted on it. It's constantly collecting high-res images. Those images are sent to the graphics processing unit, which houses the machine learning model. Then that model determines if there's a weed present or not. If there's a weed present, we turn the spray on, and then we spray that weed. That all happens at 12 miles per hour. So we're looking at 2,000 square feet every second. This is what we call green-on-green detection.
Green-on-green detection.
Yeah, so instead of just looking for green and spraying green, we're looking for a specific trigger to spray. So if it's a crop, we're not going to spray. But if it's one of these weeds that were in the field earlier, we're actually picking out the specific plant that we want to spray, all in real time and in the blink of an eye.
All in the blink of an eye.
In the blink of an eye.
Wow, that's impressive. Let's go take a look at the boom. Guess I beat Ryan this time.
Sorry I'm late. Traffic's terrible out here.
Oh, okay. So, Ryan, tell us what makes the See & Spray Ultimate boom different from other booms.
So See & Spray Ultimate uses an all-new carbon fiber truss-style boom. It's stronger, it's lighter, and it's more durable than our current boom offerings. It also has the all-new industry-leading BoomTrack Ultimate.
How does that technology work?
So BoomTrack Ultimate uses sensors across the boom to detect changes in the terrain. It then automatically adjusts the boom height on the go to keep that height consistent. In fact, 95% of the time, we maintain a 10-inch band on the tip of the boom.
So accuracy means?
Accuracy means we're getting better images from the cameras on See & Spray Ultimate. That means better weed detection. It also means that consistent application height gives really consistent application to the weeds.
Boom! Indeed. As a farmer, you're focused on savings, performance, and most importantly, improving yields. See & Spray Ultimate with target spray technology and a dual product solution system shines in all 3 areas. So Ryan, how does the combination of target spray and a dual product solution work together to help keep costs down?
Yeah, so See & Spray Ultimate not only saves 2/3 of chemical volume, But the dual products portion allows farmers a ton of flexibility. What it lets them do is use two independent tank mixes to simultaneously broadcast and target spray weeds at the same time in the same pass. A common scenario farmers use is to broadcast a residual herbicide to prevent future weed growth, while target spraying weeds that have already emerged with a non-residual herbicide. They can also broadcast two solutions at the same time, or just target spray one solution on the go. So by being able to split those tank mixes into two separate product solution systems, they can actually get better weed control. It can allow them to add a chemistry in that doesn't necessarily mix well with another chemistry. So it's just like friends in politics don't mix, there's some chemistries that also don't mix well together in the tank.
So it's all about getting smarter, getting more efficient with your herbicide use.
That's right. And when we have two tank mixes, what we allow the farmer to do is to invest in modes of action and those tank mix approaches that will best allow them to maximize their weed control and then ultimately their yield.
More efficiently means cost efficiently. Sounds like a win-win for farmers.
Yeah, and that cost efficiency is there. And there's also productivity efficiency. So we had this tank that was split. The same tank, when we combine the capacity together and we're using only 1/3 of the herbicide volume, we can go 3 times further on a single tank, getting more time in between fills and more time in the field actively spraying.
And is this just for herbicide? What about fungicide or fertilizer?
Yeah, so if we take that nozzle body and bring it up here quick, what we can see is that we can broadcast our fungicide, our fertilizer, or insecticide, and then we can also target spray herbicide. So what we're doing here is we're really taking 2 passes into one and giving, again, another way that a grower can optimize their weed control.
Wow, so it's all about getting smarter, getting more efficient with our herbicide use.
Absolutely, putting the right chemistry where it's needed and giving the farmer the power to choose.
It really is going to revolutionize the way farmers control weeds, isn't it?
It really is.
What's not to like about that? Sounds like a win-win. Let's talk data management.
Let's go.
Ryan, talk to us about how the See and Spray Ultimate takes in information and streams it to your operation.
So See and Spray Ultimate isn't done with just the job of application. It's also equipped with the JD-Link modem, which streams the application data, both machine and agronomic, to a customer's John Deere Operations Center. Operations Center features a number of data management and analysis tools. You can view maps of your fields to visually determine the amount of chemical savings achieved in a field, while also helping you make informed decisions regarding future applications. After all, the more you know, the more you can control.
In the end, healthier plants means better yields, right?
Correct. As See and Spray Ultimate moves through the field, it documents as-applied data for both broadcast and target spray. This information is available on the Operations Center in near real time. In addition to that documentation, it also documents weed pressure. This allows a comparison to be made between yield and weed pressure in the field for future decisions to be made.
As you said, the more you know, the more you can control. Thanks, Ryan. The stakes are high. It's all about protecting yields more cost efficiently through targeted use of herbicides. John Deere has been leading the industry in helping farmers apply herbicides more efficiently. What started out as traditional broadcast spraying evolved to zone spraying thanks to John Deere's section control and variable rate technologies. Now John Deere is narrowing that zone down to exactly where the weeds are. This advanced camera visualization and machine learning technology is just the beginning. And when you think about all the technology John Deere provides, it's really about helping farmers keep doing what they've always done, only better. We're excited about the launch of See and Spray Ultimate. For more information, visit johndeere.com, watch our videos on YouTube, or see your local John Deere dealer. Thanks for watching.